Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add products to cart on your Weverse app to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Weverse app. So all you have to do, just go up here, just go down, you click here on shop down here, then it's going to take us here in this list and you click here on, so just choose here, so products, and you click here on global here, then it's going to take us to next step here. So you just switch into TQ to products, and here choose products you want to add to carts. I'm going to click in this products here, so just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step, then you click here on this in up here, so then it's going to take you to cart list on your uh Weverse app, and like you say, it's your cards. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.